Every few years, a company collapses, billions disappear, and the world asks the same question: how did no one see this coming? The truth is, they did. The warning signs were always there. This is Business Autopsy. We don't chase breaking news. We examine what's left behind to understand what actually failed and why it keeps happening again. From billion-dollar frauds to startup myths that reward belief over evidence. We go past the headlines, past the personalities, and into the systems that made them possible. Because when truth is delayed, the cost isn't theoretical. It's paid by employees, investors, patients, and the public. If you want clear, investigative documentaries about the business stories shaping our world, subscribe.